This is the HP DeskJet 4322 printer. This is part of the HP DeskJet 4300 printer series. It has functions like print, copy, and scan. And it has an easy setup which we will show you in a while. So let's unbox this printer and we will set it up using our Android mobile phone. There's a piece of cardboard in the carriage area that you need to remove and discard. These are the items in box. Next, we're going to power on the printer. Power on the printer by turning on at the wall socket. You will notice that once the power is turned on at the wall socket, the printer will automatically power on. Once the printer is powered on, we're going to load paper into the printer. Take a stack of plain paper, lift up the input tray, from the dust cover, you need to push the guide all the way to the left. Then load the paper in as shown. Now, align the paper to the right hand side and use the paper guide until it just touches the paper. The paper is now loaded. Let's load the ink cartridges. Now this printer comes with a set of setup cartridges number 308. Do note, the cartridge number may differ in different countries and regions. Remove the print cartridge from its packaging. Take care not to touch the electrical contacts or even the nozzles. Do the same for the black print cartridge. Open the front access door as well as the cartridge access door. Take note of the carriage position. Sometimes it may move off center and you would have problem installing the print cartridges. So make sure it is in the center. Take the color ink print cartridge and load it in as shown. Push it in all the way until it snaps in place. Do the same for the black print cartridge. Close the ink access door as well as the front door. This is the alignment page. You need to scan this page to complete alignment and get better print quality. You place the alignment page face down and align to the top left hand corner. Press on the copy button to align the alignment page. We are now ready to continue setup and get our printer connected to our network by using the HP app on our mobile phone. Next, let's use HP app to set up and connect our printer to the network. If you need the app, simply download from Play Store. From the app, tap on the plus icon at the top to add printer. We'll set up a new printer. We'll connect it over Wi-Fi. Follow the steps to get printer ready to connect over Wi-Fi. It has found our printer. Let's set up. We'll use our phone to help connect this printer to our Wi-Fi network. Select Yes. Let's share Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is shared with device. Let's go back to the HP app. The printer is connected to Wi-Fi. Let's continue. We need to press and release the flashing information button on our printer. Let's do that. For printer privacy, we'll accept all. Let's select our country or region. We can create an account or sign in. For now, we're going to skip account activation. For future firmware updates, we'll select Notify when available. Let's print a test page. Let's print. The test page is printed successfully. If you want to print from other devices, you need to install the HP app from the App Store on that device and then add this printer in the app. Let's continue. Let's close the notifications. And your printer is added. If you tap on the printer icon, this is the printer dashboard, and you can get supplies, you can do a scan, camera scan, print documents, or even print photos. We have shown you successfully how to unbox and set up the HP DeskJet 4322 all-in-one printer.